Hello dear friend, Fusion Studio 20.1.1 has been released. In today's tutorial, let's download Fusion Studio and go through the main settings, and let's see how to make the basic compositions inside Fusion Studio. Dear friend, if you have studio version of DaVinci Resolve, it means you have naturally access to Fusion Studio. You can download the new update of Fusion Studio free of cost using the same serial key of studio version of DaVinci Resolve here. All parts in this video are very important. Don't miss any part of the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. This year we have to achieve 1000 subscribers. I am working hard and I hope you will help me and motivate me. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC to download Fusion Studio 20.1 and let's go through the basic compositions works inside Fusion Studio 20.1 here. For downloading Fusion Studio, come to the website here. I will put the link in the description box. From there you can access. Here just click download now. Here if you use DaVinci Resolve free, then don't worry. According to your system, download DaVinci Resolve 20 and you can use inside DaVinci Resolve 20 in the Fusion page. Everything is the same, but here Fusion Studio standalone version is very intuitive, very fast. Rendering speed is very fast. If you have a special compositions works, very professional work, then it's a very suitable for you. You can read here, it's a very fast for 3D particles, keyframe editors, 3D camera trackings, rotoscoping, etc. So dear friend, if you have DaVinci Resolve Studio versions, you must download this standalone version. So in today's tutorial, we will download DaVinci Resolve 20.1.1 version here. Just click here, Windows. Okay, I have Windows, Mac, Linux. According to your system, just click to download here. Now here just type everything here and just click download here. Now just click to register and download here. Now we have this file, just save. I saved on the default location. You can see 5.91 GB file. It's a heavy. It will take according to the speed of your internet 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so very fast we will be inside Fusion Studio 20.1.1 and go through all the basic compositings inside Fusion Studio here. We have downloaded Fusion Studio 20 here. Just click here, file. We have file here and extract all at the default location. Okay, now we are extracting file here. We have extracted file here. Open here. Now just click here. You can see install Fusion Render Nodes 20 and install Fusion Studio 20. We have to install these two. It's a very important because Fusion Studio works with the combination of render nodes. Okay, first we install here Fusion 20 here. Just click run as admin here. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. Now we are extracting file here. Okay, now we have version here. Just click next here. Agreement etc. Just click next here. Accept the agreement here. Install now. Now we are installing Blackmagic Fusion here. Updating component registration etc. here. Copying new files. Okay, just finish now. Now we have installed Fusion Studio. Now we have to install here. Okay, now we just click here, install Fusion Render Nodes here, run as admin. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. Extracting now, next, accept the agreement and click install here. Okay, now we have just completed the Blackmagic Fusion Render Nodes setup wizard and finish here. Now we just click here. Now we are inside Fusion Studio new version here. Now let's see how we can make this composition inside Fusion Studio. Inside Fusion Studio you can do a lots of things. You can design even logo, you can make YouTube thumbnail etc. Such type of compositions, various type of effects, whatever you will imagine you can do inside Fusion Studio. For this we come to our file explorer here. I have this road, you can see zigzag road, and in this zigzag road, as I have shown you, we want to put here car here. Okay, we just drag this to here. You see inside here, you see this is the timeline, like Da Vinci Resolve. It's the same things. It's the nodes. We will put all nodes here. If you haven't gone through my previous class about the basic of Fusion Studio, go and see. Now you can see I have here zigzag road. It's not visible here because we have to click here. You see point here. Once click this point, and you can see we have these zigzag roads. No, our resolution is this here. You can see, but we can change resolution. Come here to file here. In file, come here. You see here preference. Just click preference. In preference, come here for format. You see format, and we can change this format. It will be, because this is always default. You can take a lots of formats from here, but I want to take this format. Okay, and save. This format will be always save here. If you want to add background here, just click here. You see here, this is the background. Now we have background through merge. If you click any nodes, and it will be added through merge. Merge we have already learned in the previous class that merge combines two nodes to make the effects etc. It's not like layer based composition like After Effect etc. So you can see we have here background. Just we can see what's the resolution of background. Come here and preference. Now you can see this is our resolution shape. Now we want to take a car here, and we want to put the car here. Okay, just come to file explorer here. I have a car, transparent car without background here. You can see, and you can download this car on the Pixabay Pixels, and you can remove the background here inside Fusion. But I have removed this background in Affinity Photo. Just click here, direct to a timeline here, and you can see we have this node now, and we want to join this here. So merge, you can see merge. If you want to see all the effect together here, it will be visible here. Just click to here second. Now we have already merged background and this zigzag road here. You can see this merge tool is merging here. Now we have here card transparent. If you want to see here, just click one. I want to see in view one. This is the view two. These are independent. Anytime you can use any of these two view panel. We just click here. I want to see this in one, and we just click here one here. You see here one. You can see now this is our car here. Now I want to put this car here. You see here on this road. It's a very simple. You have to take merge two from here. You can see we have to take other merge, and we have to merge here. But what we will do, very easy way to merge this. We just come here. You see here. You see, just click merge on merge second here, and just release. 1 second, I show you. We return here, just click merge because we want to add one more merge here. Here in this side we will add, it will not work. We have to add this on the front because we want to add this car on the front here. You see here, if you add this, it will be go to background, it will be not visible, because you can make such type of mistake. We don't need to add here this side. We want to add here. You see, we just click merge one, and through merge one it will be added. Okay, just we release here. You see green line here, it has appeared. Merge two will, when you will release here, merge two will appear and it will connect. You can see here we have merge two here. Here you can see it's a very important, because that's why Fusion is little bit confusing, but because there are very few tutorials on YouTube, and most of tutorials are paid, so it's very difficult to learn Fusion. You can see it has added here, but it's not visible because merge 2 is our now final output. Now we have to click 2. Now you can see it's visible because this is the one. This is not our final output because we have already added merge 2. Now our main reference output will be 2. Here once you click here, you can see it's not visible here. You see zigzag, click here, only zigzag road is visible here, and when you click merge to here, you see it's visible here. Okay, in this way you can add here, and you can now adjust your nodes here. I want to put this node here, and this node will be here. Okay, this our zigzag road will be here, our reference car will be here, but we want to put this car here, like we want to make it small. For this you have to take a transform node, and we have to add this transform node here. You can see between merge and this car, and just click on merge, and because we want to add just behind this merge, just click shift plus space bar, all the effects will appear here. Now type here transform very carefully, type transform here. We need this transform, we don't need 3D transform, texture transform, we need this transform, simple transform, and just click add. Now you can see we have added transform. Now we can make it small, we can rotate, we can give various type of rotation effect here. Just I want to show you. Now we come to transform here, and in transform you can see size here, all size are appear here. You see x, y, z, size, aspect ratio, you can even rotation, you can give various type of effect, add keyframing, etc. Now we want to make it small. Here you see you can add point here. Now it's small, and you can see x, y, and direct you can hold this and just put here. So you can see here we have transform. So we have put this here. We can drag this anywhere. You see here direct I want to put this here. You can see. So it's a like basic composition, how you can add, even you can resize. If you want to resize any of this car or background, you have to take a resize node. For example, I want to resize this zigzag. Just click here and shift plus space bar, type here resize. Now we have resize nodes here, and just click here. And now you can resize, come here to resize here, and from here you can see you can resize the canvas here. We have 1920 by 1080p, and we can make like according to our choice, our requirement, we can change the canvas here. So these are the tools are very important. You can see here shift plus space bar, there are so many tools, and you have to learn every tools, their function works in one class you can't learn, so you have to learn all by step. So dear friend, we will add all tools one by one. So you can see here, now you can resize, you can understand, cancel here, transform tool, merge tool, and resize tool. In resize we can just take any canvas here. You see we are changing canvas. You see here like a small 720 canvas you can make like this. See here like this canvas, any you can type the number here directly. Like in this way you can make very small canvas. Okay, actually this is the work of resize tool. Any things you can resize here. Just I click okay, we don't need this. Just I have told you how you can use a resize tool to resize this canvas. Even the car you can resize here. Okay, now we come to transform. If you want to change the car position etc, you can come here, you can change position, like you see left right I want to put here. And here you can see rotation. If you want to rotate like this, it will rotate. You see rotating now. And if you want to, you can see car here, and we want to turn car the back, I want to turn back this side. So you can come here, you see here flip here. Now you can see flip, you see this side we have flip that side. It's so very easily you can change the direction from here. Flip right, flip, you see up down left right, you can flip. We want the change. Now you can see we have changed the direction here, and we can add keyframing. In the next class we will learn how we can move car from here. For basic I want to show you how we can move this here. You can add keyframing here. For example, when our car will be here, you see here, and we can start keyframing here. You see x, y, just we add keyframing here. You can see here, now we can change like this. Our car will be here, and when our frame will be here, you can see here. Now we can move like this, something like this. You see here, and this y will be here. You see here, and we can add keyframing here. You see pivot, and it will be like this. You see here in this way. Now play and see the effect. You see our car is coming here. You see here. Hello dear friend, now we are on the website of Fusion Studio 20.1.1 here. Now let's read the release note here. What's new in this Fusion Studio 20.1.1? The following features have been added or updated: addressed issues with the loading and importing PSD files, addressed issues with single frame sequences in loader, addressed issues with loader start times after changing global range, addressed issue with enabling aux channels in Switzerland, addressed magic marks sometimes deleting unrelated folders, addressed issue with saving versions in macros, general performance and stability improvements. These are the minor changes in Fusion Studio 20.1.1. Make the basic composite in Fusion Studio and repeat this class, and write me after following this class how your experience is about composite in Fusion Studio. You can share this Fusion Studio class to those friends who are actually in the need of a such type of tutorial. This tutorial may be useful to them, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.